What you making, buddy?
I'm making stew.
Oh, okay.
My dad.
Well, get it.
I don't want that.
Are you gonna say that to the baby, Mick? To the little baby? That's your toys? Are you gonna share your toys with the baby Mixon? Are you gonna share your toys with the baby? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you will?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
My toys.
Your toys, are you going to share them with the baby?
No.
Oh, but you're the big brother.
No.
Yes, you're going to be the big brother.
No.
Okay, we'll look into it.